So what's going on mga bossing? Welcome back to my channel, Alvin ng Boy Bukas Toy Box. At ngayon ay bubuksan natin ang third installment ng Evolution Toys with their half version or hero action figures. And this time this is the Goranger series, which is the third installment is the Momo Rangers and the Mido Rangers. So we're going to unbox the third and last installment na kanilang series na to ng Himitsu Sentai Goranger, or we also know in the Philippines as Star Ranger. And I'm so excited to open this box now. And yes, this is a third box. So as you can see, they are all looks the same mga bossing. Kaya excited na akong buksan to. So let's go. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go. We got the third installment from Evolution Toys Goranger series, or the Himitsu Sentai Goranger. So this is the third and last installment. So let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, so marami na naman tayong pares ng kamay dito. At ito na nga ang manual. Okay, let's see. So we got the bottom tray. So andito yung mga accessories niya. So as usual, we got a game of Mido Rangers and Momo Rangers. And on this side is the weapons of Mido Rangers and Momo Rangers on the other side. So, okay, let's open. Okay. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so we got the main figures now. So we got another quite a lot of set of hands here, mga bossing. So we got, so for Momo Rangers, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for Mido Rangers, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 single hand here. Okay, so I think this one is for holding the boomerang or the Midomerang. So let's start checking out mga kamay nila. Okay, there you go mga bossing. Ang dami na naman yung mga kamay. Ano ba sa palagay nyo? Dapat ba talagang ganyang karami yan? Magagamit ba natin lahat yan? So let me know mga bossing. What do you guys think? Bakit naglagay sila ng maraming klase ng kamay dito? Siguro para lang sulitin ang presyo niya kasi masyado siyang medyo mahal. Okay, so ilabas na natin si Midoranger. Okay, there you go mga bossing. Solid na naman ang pagkakagawa sa kanya. Ayan, ang kanyang S. Okay, so yan naman kanyang belt. So I think that's why naging Star Ranger to sa Pilipinas, dahil para siyang S at may mga star. Okay. Ang logo dito, solid. Ayan. So this figure stands sa 6.69 inches. Yeah, almost 7 na rin. So let's see yung articulation niya. Sa head. So yung parang mga ball joint niya dito. Okay. So, yan nga si Green Ranger. So, si Pink Ranger naman. Or Momo Ranger. There you go. Okay. Nice earrings. So, yeah. So, yung nagiging earring bombs. Right. So, ayan. Ganda rin ito. O, yun. So yeah, same thing here. Okay, there you go mga bossing. Ito na sila, ang Midoranger at Momo Ranger. So there you go mga bossing. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe now and hit that bell notification icon para lagi kayong updated. Siyempre, alam niyo na yan. At if you really like this video, just give me a thumbs up. At kung may mga request kayo or any suggestion or any comments, good or bad, just comment down below mga bossing. Approve lahat yan. Kaya thank you for watching. Remember mga bossing, this is not for me, this is for the toys. Thank you for watching ulit mga bossing. See you on the next episode. Peace out.